In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add market structure in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this step by step so you can follow along on your own chart, even if you're fairly new to TradingView. Make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open, ideally on the asset and time frame you usually trade, so you can see how the tool behaves in a familiar context. First, look toward the top of your chart for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the middle of the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main indicator panel where you can search through built-in indicators, community scripts, and anything you've favorited before. If your screen looks a bit different, don't worry. As long as you see a panel pop up after clicking Indicators, you're in the right place. Inside this panel, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly on that search box. This is where you'll type in the specific indicator you're looking for. The search box is really powerful because TradingView has thousands of scripts, and finding the right one manually would be nearly impossible. By using the search bar, you can narrow it down quickly and avoid scrolling through long lists. Now, in that search box, type market structure. As you type, TradingView will start showing you results that match those words. You may see several different scripts with similar names created by different authors. Take a moment to hover over a few of them. Read the short descriptions and choose the one that best fits your style. Some will focus on swing highs and lows, others on break of structure or change of character. Select the one you prefer and click on it once. It will automatically be added to your chart. Once it's applied, you should see visual elements that highlight the current market structure, such as labeled highs and lows or structure breaks. You can usually customize how this looks by going to the indicator settings, adjusting colors, labels, and sensitivity so that it's not cluttering your chart. If you're using or considering TradingView Pro, remember to use the affiliate link in the video description. It's a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it helps me keep making tutorials like this. That's all there is to it. You've now added market structure to your TradingView Pro charts and can start using it to better understand trend direction, key turning points, and overall price behavior.